Daehung Softmill, founded in 1989, is a 31-year-old bakery general machinery manufacturing company. First in Korea, 1993 developed a dough conditioner contributed to the localization of bakery machines. Currently, it is growing into a global company recognized overseas by exporting bakery machinery and manufacturing technologies to 15 countries, including the United States and Japan. Daehung Softmill's bakery machine brand, Softmill, is the best brand in Korea. It is a product made with the skills and experience of Maestro, Korea's master.
대한민국 명장의 기술과 경험을 제품에 담았습니다.
Our company produces high-quality products by building its own production process from assembly to completion in modernized factories. The recently developed inverter LCD dough conditioner is designed with a special air circulation structure to maintain the unique moisture of the dough. In particular, the inverter compressor method is introduced for the first time in Korea, which provides precise temperature control and energy-saving effect. In addition, the machine's operation history and breakdowns are recorded using a smart and convenient touch screen, increasing customer convenience. Softmill's flagship product is the Daehung series. With continuous step control by microprocessor, uniform and fine temperature control is possible. The heating system delivers a uniform temperature in the oven, creating a uniform color of bread. In addition, the steam preheated to a high temperature in the steam boiler is injected finely and strongly, improve the quality of the bread. Convection oven is a high-speed RPM motor fan that generates strong hot air and steam in the oven to achieve even color baking of bread. The door has a pair of glass structure that enhances the insulation of the product. LED lighting reduces power consumption and makes the interior brighter. Also, with the oven, various combinations can be configured such as bottom flipper and convection to stage type. Mini-series bakery machines, such as Mini Deck, Mini Convection and Mini Fermenter, are small but efficient. The Mini-series is a small bakery machine suitable for home baking, small shops and cafes. Bakers are also available in a variety of configurations. Mini Deck ovens are equipped with stone plates and steam for a wide range of high-quality baking. Mini Convection oven is a digital controller that can be finely adjusted and can store up to 30 memories. Also, the Mini Proofer can be used more hygienic with nozzles dispensing an internal stainless steel finish. Pizza oven is made with Softmill's own special technology. It is a far-infrared ceramic pizza oven. This oven can taste the authentic Italian pizza baked in a high-temperature stone kiln over 500 C. Rotary rack oven is the most optimized product for small quantity and large quantity mass production, and high-quality baking is possible with perfect insulation and sealing power. The operator panel is an LCD touch screen panel that offers easy operation and 99 memory functions. Combi oven is a product that enhances practicality and economics by maximizing utilization of store space by configuring essential baking machines desired by bakers in one rack. New products of Softmill are researched and developed by our own Technology Research Institute. Comprehensive tests such as performance, function and operation program for new products. After repeated testing and conducting for a long time, we launch safe products through international safety and EMC certification. In addition, we are increasing customer satisfaction by launching verified products through repeated baking tests by bakers in the bakery lab. Furthermore, we have established the Neston Master Skills Education Center, which contributes to fostering talents in the bakery and bakery sectors by delivering our 40-year-old skills to our employees. Walking together with you on the path of 30 years. Now, we will prepare another 30 years for better service and products. Daehung Softmill Company Limited.